Okay, I'm recording. Let's do it.
Hey, what's your name? There's no need to be so stressed. This ain't hell. You're down there, but we'll do what we do best.
Whoa, 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 panic less. Don't you see that you've been blessed? You've been chosen to party with an army of friends.
Days fly by, we have fun here regardless. So why not try leaning into the darkness? Hesitate, do I need to remind you what I am? The promise that binds you.
On the cruelest of days, may the bonfires guide you. Satan will save any soul if inclined to follow her wishes tonight of all nights. Through the powers unholy, we humbly invite you.
Too far gone, we can't stop now. When I shout, dance party through the nighttime. Lose yourself in my eyes. Clear your mind, you're in it with the devil now. No chance, even now your name signed in my book of design. Clear your mind, you're in it with the devil now.
Nowhere to run, all your secrets lead you to the fire. Can't you see?
That you're in it with the devil now.
Have some fun, join our cause and reach for your desire. Can't you see?
That you're in it with the devil now.
Oh, you poor thing, did you think I'd let you slip away? Your name's in it, darling, you promised me and now you're paying. I am your king, boo, I'll ghost your heart and let it race. Glory to her, let us shake the world to your Lord's taste.
M-O-U-S-E, I ain't got no flaws on me. Show me we're being supreme being sharp, see those molten bees, 'cause I'm your queen. Enough of these delays, I'm dying to catch a break. What's with that face? Let's celebrate. Come on, dear humans, humor fate.
On the cruelest of days, may the bonfires guide you. Satan will save any soul if inclined to follow her wishes tonight of all nights. For the powers unholy, we humbly invite you.
Too far gone, we can't stop now. When I shout, dance party through the nighttime. Lose yourself in my eyes. Clear your mind, you're in it with the devil now. No chance, even now your name signed in my book of design. Clear your mind, you're in it with the devil now.
Nowhere to run, all your secrets lead you to the fire. Can't you see?
That you're in it with the devil now.
Have some fun, join our cause and reach for your desire. Can't you see?
That you're in it with the devil now.
Okay, that was amazing. Okay, bye.